They say they've combined the power of a wet-dry vacuum with a sanitizing mop. But is the BISSELL TurboClean the real deal? Or is it just another mop that sucks? We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Today's product is the BISSELL TurboClean Wet Dry Vac, a lightweight cordless cleaner with a few smart features built in. Out of the box, and you've got the BISSELL TurboClean body and handle, an additional brush roll, a sample bottle of their sanitizing formula, a combination clean-out brush and strainer, as well as a docking station and charger. How do you use this thing? After a quick charge, we start by filling the clean water tank. Press the button on top of the tank to separate it, then lift the plastic flap to expose the tank's opening. Fill with warm water up to the fill line, followed by some of the sanitizing formula. Close the flap and then reattach the water tank to the BISSELL by lining up the bottom edges first and pressing until you hear a click. Up on the control panel, you've got a power button, mode button, and LED lights that display battery level, water levels, and warn of any obstructions. A warning light on the control panel will tell you when you're out of clean water. It'll also tell you when your wastewater tank is filled. Press the power button to get started, followed by the water flow button to choose between three settings: low, high, or vacuum only. The roller spins, picking up hair, dirt, crumbs, and debris, while a fine mist of water and sanitizing formula is dispensed on the floor. Being semi-absorbent, the roller will also pick up most liquid spills, filling the lower wastewater tank along with any other messes collected. You might need a couple passes, especially on bigger messes, but the end result should be a sparkling floor, safe from 99.99% of bacteria. After emptying your wastewater tank and refilling the clean water tank, the BISSELL TurboClean also has a self-cleaning setting, which works to remove any obstructions or buildup on the inside. We love this feature. Now, despite this setting, the instruction manual also comes with a really long manual cleaning process that looked like a lot of work. So naturally, we passed on that. But before we give you our Review to You rating, Matt's been doing all the dirty work, so let's hear what he has to say.
Those are the Rockies behind me, Gary. It's fall break time. We're out in the RV, and I decided to bring the BISSELL with me for the hard floors in here. It has central vacuum, but what it doesn't have is a solution for the hardwood floors, and this worked great. Silver's always tracking mud in, and that's what was actually on the floor there, and this thing picked it up, no problem at all. I really like this thing. It does leak though, so you need to keep it in the base, but that's the only complaint I saw with it. Other than that, I really like it.
Thanks, Matt. For small messes on hard flooring, the BISSELL TurboClean is perfect. You get a light vacuum and gentle polish on tiles, wood, and linoleum. The problems begin when you have heavy messes or large pieces of debris that require a pre-vacuum before cleaning. There's every chance you'll spend more time cleaning it than the floors. We give it a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these?
Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase links that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $244.99.
Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.